I've already removed some larger items of trash, but just wanted to document what it looked like. We have successfully removed the seats from Hummer. We're going to take out the console, and then it's time to get to work cleaning the carpet and see how clean we can get it. We pulled the console out of Hummer, and I've done some vacuuming. The carpet's ready for me to try shampooing it. I was hoping to be able to clean Hummer's carpet without removing it from the vehicle. I started in working on the back seat area and quickly realized that Dad was correct when he said we were going to need to pull it out. So we went ahead and pulled it out of the vehicle, and I'm really glad we did, as we're going to get it much cleaner this way. This is the underside after pulling the carpet out. I have the floor in Hummer cleaned up and ready for the carpet to go back in once it's been cleaned.
quality carpet.
After shampooing and pressure washing Hummer's carpet, we gave it about 3 days to fully dry out, then gave it a good vacuuming, and it's now ready to go back in Hummer. We have the carpet reinstalled in Hummer.